yeah, our Back to Nature sessions were created to create a space for adults with autism or a learning disability to come and spend time in nature. Our groups are held every month. The walks usually take between 2 to 3 hours, and we will ensure we have a stop and facilities along the way. So they are designed to be accessible for as many people as possible. So today we've been at Ouzel Valley Park. It's a Parks Trust park in Milton Keynes. We will always try and create the walk in local areas that are accessible by bus for people to get to, and it's just about exploring your local area and finding these hidden areas for you to come and enjoy. We've also visit further afield. We've been to Rushmere and places where we may also use a minibus to get there. But generally we try and keep our walks local so that people can go and join the walk again in their own time.
It's got a completely different trunk. Yeah. And that was an experiment by some of the rangers where they kind of like sliced another tree.
The benefits of coming to the Back to Nature session involve walking, seeing nature, connecting with other people like myself in nature, and getting outside improves my health and well-being. I have enjoyed connecting with new people that I've not seen before.
Like, what's it mean? Like the dog was one of like a dog. That sounds very old.
Oh no. I know, but obviously it's dangerous, so it's like
I have enjoyed making new friends with some people that come on the Back to Nature sessions. I've enjoyed like walking around the greenery, and it just gives me something to look forward to every month. So I've been coming since January 2025, so earlier this year, and it's got me more involved with Talkback and what they do, and I've got to know the service a bit better. The places I've been to, so I enjoy the Windmill Walk the best. I'm always taking myself on that. That's been one of my favourite walks so far, alongside Howe Park Wood. Then there's been the first walk I did in January was Bradwell Abbey, that was fun, and then Rushmere Park last month. But I've got to say the two favourites so far have been the Windmill Walk in Bradwell Abbey and Bradville, and the Howe Park Wood.
get that.
Really encourage you to come along and try a walk and come and meet some of our other members. I want to give you that space to enjoy nature and be amongst like-minded people, and
I would highly recommend it to anyone who is either isolated or just wants to come out on a nature group.